Hi, and welcome to the first of 5 videos on cross-references in MLL. In this series, you will learn how to insert, format, and use references and bookmarks in your documents. In this video, you will learn what cross-references are and how to insert them into your document, edit them, highlight them in the document area, and how they are handled when exporting your document to other applications. Cross-references are document elements that point to a different element in the same document. We refer to this element as the reference target. So for example, the following reference points to Tasks and Procedures, which is an auto title on page 4. And this one points to a bookmark on page 3. And this one to a figure 1 on page 15. In MLL, every cross-reference is dynamically linked to its target. This means that if anything changes in the target, the cross-reference is automatically and immediately updated. For example, this reference points to the Tasks and Procedures chapter on page 4. If I move this chapter to a different location, MLL automatically and immediately updates the reference to show the correct page. So that's it. You don't have to do anything. Just write your document and MLL will take care of the rest. Now, let's learn how to insert a reference into your document. First, place your cursor where you want to insert the reference. Now, you have different ways of inserting this reference. You can either choose Insert, Cross-Reference, Insert Reference from the menu bar, or click the Insert Reference button from the reference palette. Now, you can reference 4 types of elements in your MLL document. There's auto titles, images, bookmarks, and virtual targets. Use the reference type list to choose the type of reference you wish to create, and the content of the window changes according to your selection so that you can select the target you want. Choose existing targets to see a list of all the targets that you already referenced in the document in case you need to reuse any of them. This list also includes all the bookmarks that you inserted into the document. Bookmarks are invisible location markers added to the text, and we will cover bookmarks in a later video. Choose auto titles to see a list of all the auto titles in your document. Choose images to see a list of all the images that you added to your document. Or choose virtual targets to create a reference to a virtual target. These are targets that do not exist in the text when the reference is created. And to learn more about virtual targets, check out the 5th and final video of this series. We can use the filtering tools here to help us locate our target by filtering for specific text, markers, or tags. And we can use the format area to format the reference that will be inserted into the document. And you will learn more about this area also in a later video. But for now, we will leave it as it is and click OK to insert the reference into the document. And now you can see the reference here. By default, references are highlighted by a yellow background to distinguish them from the other document elements. But don't worry, this background is only displayed in the document area and will not appear in print or when exporting the document. You can remove this highlight by choosing View, Show Hidden References from the menu bar. But we will leave them highlighted for now because it makes it easier to work with. To edit an existing reference, simply double-click it to open the Edit Reference window again. Now you can change what you'd like. When exporting a MLL document with cross-references to a different application, references to images, auto titles, notes, or segments of the text will be exported correctly and will point to the correct document location. However, references that include page numbers must be manually inspected after the export is completed to assure the behavior is consistent. Cross-references are exported as hot links when you export documents to PDF files. Clicking the reference in the exported PDF will scroll to the reference target. And we've reached the end of this video. You should now be able to insert and edit references in your document, to configure whether they are highlighted in the document area, and to export them with your document. We highly recommend that you view and try the corresponding tutorial to practice what you've just learned. So go ahead, click the link below and give it a try. So what's next? In the next video, you will learn how to format the reference. We hope you've enjoyed this video and appreciate any feedback. Please feel free to add it as comments to this video.